Hi, my name's Mick Brown at miko-cartoon.com. I'm a cartoonist and I'm going to show you how to draw some cartoons. Let's have fun. Now I'm going to show you how to draw funny cartoons. Well, funny cartoons, well, that's a tough one. Hopefully every cartoon is funny, and this one's supposed to be. Maybe just the character's funny, but you've got to think of an idea, and it's very difficult. So I like drawing animals. Sheep are quite fun to draw, so we're thinking about sheep. What's so special about sheep? Well, they don't wear glasses, so let's put a pair of glasses on the sheep. That's, yeah. Well, that looks a little bit different. That's perhaps, hopefully, a little bit funny. What else is there about sheep? They live in fields. They're woolly. You get jumpers are knitted from wool, of course. How about that for an idea? It's nice actually doing the wool like that. No, that's a good idea. What about a sheep knitting? Knitting herself a woolly jumper. There we go. This is the jumper that she's knitting, or whatever it is. Yeah. There's a big smile on her face. And so again, just very simple old cartoon. We have it standing up there in the field, knitting a woolen jumper. So, let's put a click. Sound of the knitting needles together. There we go. And there we have it. That's how to draw funny cartoons.